Nanado tama na wote akonya no so no asemu bia meka fa ho anenye bia fa me bo ne che me wate
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho me be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
in fact Nanado momo de yankai na nso ye be kai na sere o chale Nanado tama na wote akonya no so no asemu bia meka fa ho anenye bia fa me bo ne che me wate na most of the time near na frustration e come ne dia manfo no mu complain sa no a na ye tibia ne ye hu bi so a out of frustration ne dia keka nsem e o muso amamuo no de ne expect phone wantimi anye but this thing a BBC for confirm ya say a free FBI for no eba na mama hu say Nanado ye solid man Nanado say yo no na start ye say abrofo no o mama me pa Africa for achaw for slavery no mu slavery you know and all those kind of stuff now there is no way say sa omo escami amount for wabruchi no obe give you out yes na Nanado aban ne cars asem no enti some be kaya tama Sam George omo be Sam George be make statement be say FBI for no send day sa scammers for the documents no for a very long time now sa government no was not working on it enti government no Nanado momo hu we be ifo ono na ye no ho da bi enya Nanado na ban mu fo no ne communicators no omo ya be ifo omo na
ka say de Ghana card for no be ba ya me adoma no pay arante Gideon Atta ono na ne card why and first that wo ye wo muzano Atta wo card okay good Ntibotu makofi yewi amoy
Ghana for so someone who nipa oya aboa e kwase we jimifo a oninyasa someone ti Ghana for some way and e ka trem efa journalist bi ho a sabi omudi mo adwene e na edi agro na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia tama o ka say Ghana card who won for so chain interchanges bebre no na we mu ka ho a omo say sa wokoto abama MPP a we aboa enne abato no okono adan no onfa interchange enko no krum ansa na yeto abama no a odi Ghana card na eko enno
Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact.
Woman West for ka say de Ghana card for no be ba ya me adoma no pay arante Gideon Atta ono na ne card why and first that wo ye wo muzano Atta wo card okay good Ntibotu makofi yewi amoy
Ghana for someone who nipa oya aboa e kwase we jimifo a oninyasa someone ti Ghana for some way and e ka trem efa journalist bi ho a sabi omudi mo adwene e na edi agro na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia tama o ka say Ghana card who won for so chain interchanges bebre no na we mu ka ho a omo say sa wokoto abama MPP a we aboa enne abatoɔ no ɔkɔ no adan no ɔmfa interchange ɛnkɔ no kurom ansa na yɛto abama no a ɔde Ghana card na ɛkɔ ɛno na yɛtwi mu adwene ɛde ba MPP so MPP na yɛ party a sabi ɔmodwene Ghana for ho a ɔmowɔ enemo papa a ɛde bɛboa yɛ man we Ghana a ne ɛbɛkɔ n'anim nti no Ghana for yɛsrɛ mo munya yɛ ho nteaseɛ na munya abotrema MPP party especially your candidate His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia sanyame yɛ adom 2028 a monto abama no na munya isa nkwasiafo ne gyimifo yi a mode mo ho to omo so sɛ omo yɛ presenters anasa mo yɛ journalists omo nim de omo yɛ omo nim hu omo yɛ gyimifo kwa na mo dɔso omo tino aha yɛ PSPS media ɛna edi sa adwumade we brem me nso a me di sa adwumade ho kyia me medin de Ibrahim Baba Maltiti yɛda mo ase pi
obeti atechem wo suro se obekɔ te bia amanfo wo na yetua wo ka taxpayers money na ye di tua wo ka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adagye ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se a wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises enkoko nketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kɔ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase wo be sori e na we si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. Join down. See we did be I can once. On my way, just say you nim on my issue I walk. For your shady my papa and not down who for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Addo Dee Nyame say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinki, amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Addo Dee Nyame mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de nya kinki na mu hia utilization bia and na gafo say okay nya beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government etimi
say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bia yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or